Etihad Engineering is a maintenance repair operation. We have a comprehensive services including airframe maintenance, design engineering, supply chain management, and the latest to our addition, Etihad Technical Training School. Before moving to Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP, we were running on an on-premise technological application. Month-end reporting took place usually between the middle of the month or even closer to the end of the month. Of course, that was a bit, way too much late for us, especially for when it comes to the efficiency on the ground and realizing quality revenue over just spilled over revenue. Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP was the main choice, particularly to the fact that as a brand it's quite strong, but more importantly, we look at the engagement we had with the team behind Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP helped us in making that decision. For us, Oracle Customer Success Services was an integral and key point of the project because they acted as our counselors and guidance to the management of the project itself. TCS was the executioners. They're the ones that actually worked on the implementation of the transformation to Oracle Fusion. TCS for us was a long, outstanding partner from the early inceptions of the business. We do have some on-premise systems, and it was very important for us to maintain that hybrid model into our organization. So I was quite surprised with the fact that Oracle Fusion spoke very smoothly with our on-premise system. The reporting is available for the executives to see and analyze. And there's a lot of time that being spent on analyzing the information for them to really make the dual decisions that will actually make the difference for our bottom line. Having the month-end cycle being brought forward rather than mid or even towards the end of the month made a huge difference in making the right call decisions in managing our business accordingly. There's a saying in the Middle East, الجيب واحد, which means a single pocket, which is the expression that we use when highlighting a relationship between us and a customer or between us and a supplier or between us and a service provider. It elaborates on the fact that there is a respect to the fact that the investment being put is treated well. And the value of that investment is as important to us as is it important to the service provider that we are dealing with. And we truly felt that the application, that the investment was treated as if it was the own investment of Oracle Fusion ERP. So for us, it was quite an important decision making from a cultural perspective, as much as a business perspective, for us to go with the application. And we are seeing the benefits of it as we go forward.